everybody, Strictly Diesel TV. We're here today installing a fuel tank on an F150 diesel 3-liter power stroke. Cool truck. Anyway, first time doing one of these, you're going to watch and see how it goes. Overall, Titan fuel tanks, you can install them in your driveway or wherever you choose to do it. This one in particular, well, no, just plain simple any fuel tank install. Always have the front wheels blocked. I would raise the rear axle as high as you can to allow sliding in and out of the fuel tank from the frame. This particular tank, we're going to see how we do it here, but it's got about 70 miles to empty, so she's almost running on fumes. The lower the tank level, obviously the better off you are. Enjoy the view. Just to see what the differences are. We're gonna swap components over, being fuel lines and sending unit. And then we're gonna get the new tank back up. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, more to come. Transferred all our fuel lines and sending unit to the new tank. We are ready to go back in and install. Their straps. There's no 4x4 tray on this one. Didn't opt for that option. You can see it's about even with the def tank. A little bit deeper in the middle where the sending unit is. And then you can see how it hangs below the rail. $40 gallons of fuel coming next. StrictlyDiesel.com. We can help you out. Take care, everybody. Thank you for watching.